Hello, it is Sunday, May 22nd, 2022. Fanime is on Friday. I am going to start 2 new cosplay projects today, and hopefully we'll have them done before Friday. We're making this bitch and this bitch. Should be easy enough. I just gotta style the wig and write on a shirt. That's it. I can do that. I can do this. I can accomplish that. Perhaps in one afternoon. I can do it. I just have to start. I just have to start. Alright, let's go. So, my room is a mess right now. The room where I do my crafts. So we're going to be doing everything in this corner. It'll be great. Also, I don't have like a wig mount. I got this guy, but I have nowhere to like hold it steady while I fuck around with the wig. So we're gonna try putting it on a mic stand. And it should work like the same, right? We just gotta... this hurts. Fuck it, let's just stick you right here. Yeah? No? How do I ensnare you? How do I entrap you? Fuck! This sucks. Making a hole. Making a hole. I'm just making a hole. Making a hole. Shoving a pole into the hole. Making a hole. Making a hole. I'm just making a hole. Hello. This is the wig. It's very long and kind of thin because I bought it on a popular online retailer website. I'm not proud of my actions. That's all. Oh, it looks much cuter on you. I bought 2 of them. I'm gonna thicken this up. They've got all these weird like small layers down here. I mean, I guess that's helpful for me, but why can't this whole thing be like long and thick? Whatever, that's why we are grafting 2 of them together. Sorry. I know this must hurt. I'm really sorry. Okay, so the plan is to thicken this up by adding harvested wefts from a second wig, and then we're gonna stick batting under here so that the braids are poofier. I'm so nervous. I'm so nervous. I'm just gonna do a really sloppy job because we're just gonna glue the weft. So we're just gonna sever the wefts from the wig cap with scissors like barbarians. Then we're gonna hot glue those bitches onto this wig. That'll be good, right? It'll be good.
自由に腰掛ける椅子をたくさん集め寝ているのは一人か二人順番に待ち時間を利用する犬はベランダでミラーとして水をこぼす誰かが笑ってあさってのカレンダー間違い探しの旅に出る定休日から天気予報を
Hello? Who is this? Who the fuck is this? That's right, it's your lord, your savior, everyone's favorite stubborn, prideful bimbo with a praise kink. This is pretty much done. I think the wig has some work to be done, but I'm probably just gonna do it the day of because transporting this in a car is gonna muck it up anyway. Shit, dude, this is comfy. This is wild that I'm wearing this. I've wanted to go to fanime since I was a child, since I was a teenager, and teenage me would lose her fucking marbles if she knew that she would be wearing this to her first fanime. Alrighty then. Alright, okay, I guess, see you at fanime.